Hey everyone, it is your girl Coach G coming at you with a major shift that is happening right before our very eyes, and it's called Skills First. Today, what you know and how you use it is what is going to keep you relevant and ready. And one power skill you cannot ignore: collaboration. You see, collaboration is more than teamwork. It's really that bridge between your strengths and innovation. And when we bring different perspectives together, we create what none of us could do by ourselves. As roles evolve, your ability to connect skills across people and ideas becomes your competitive edge. And the best ideas don't come from the top anymore, folks. They come from people who listen, who learn, and who can co-create. When we collaborate, we multiply our knowledge, and we turn potential into progress and transform skills into synergy. And ultimately, that synergy creates success. If you want to learn how to strengthen your collaboration skills, all you have to do is click the link below and schedule your complimentary session with me today. This is your girl, Coach G. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, peace and prosperity.